Let's compare the Innov8 hose sprayer, which you can see here, against the sprayer from my Joey's Garden hose. So the Innov8 sprayer here, you can see when I actually use this on my my hose, it can attach to any standard hose. You get a bunch of different settings on here, which I like, so you have all different spray patterns. And I like that you can easily just switch it on and off with this little button on the back. Nice, high quality, and you don't get the hose with it, though. You do have to attach it to a hose. Now, the Joey's Garden hose, on the other hand, you get the hose, which is a collapsible hose, which is really nice, and the actual sprayer, which you can see on the end. And from the dirt on it, you can see you do use this one quite a lot. I don't think the quality of the sprayer feels quite as strong on this as it does on the Innov8. It's really built into, to use with the hose, but you still get multiple spray patterns. Still works nicely, doesn't leak. Neither of these leak in my experience. So just different options if you want to get the hose with it. The Joey's Garden is great, although the sprayer I think is not. I don't find it quite as effective as the Innov8, but if you want the dedicated sprayer for your existing hose, I think the Innov8 is a great option.